Welcome to the eP2P Applications User Tutorial Guide. In this tutorial, the user will be guided on how to add or update tertiary and qualification information. To go to eP2P application eData, user need to click HR Self-Service. Then click on the eData. Click My Tertiary and Professional Qualification. Click Add to add new tertiary information. Fill in the required information as shown in the screen. Once done, click Next and following screen will be displayed. Click Next button to proceed. Click Finish if user want to submit the application. Click Update to update tertiary information. Select the qualification and click Next. Fill in the information that need to be updated. Once done, click Next and following screen will be displayed. Click Next and then click Finish to submit application. A notification will appear once the application is successfully submitted. The request will then be forwarded to the superior for recommendation.